So this Snowmelt manifold is for the radiant flooring right where all of us are standing.
So it's really the radiant, okay.
Yep.
Just 2 loops?
Just 2 loops, yes, correct. Now you'll be able to see up here, one of the questions that Simon had for me was if we had a bleeder right here to be able to get the air out. It's on the return side, so it's right here.
Is that, I can't see, are those flow
Yes, these are flow meters.
meters there? Good.
Yeah, visual flow meters on all of them. They're all the same exact.
So is that like just that
same
corner
exact?
bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
The only difference is going to be the interior ones. They're all like this. They all have 2 inlets and 2 outlets. The difference are going to be the ones on the east side and the ones on the west side, which have a bigger manifolds.
Yeah.
For the more loops that they have. But other than that, they're just, like for instance, the ones that are for the bathrooms, it's 2 sets of these.
So, what control? I understand what controls the snow melt, but how is that controlled for the in-floor, the radiant?
That's a good question to ask the controls guy.
Okay.
Yeah, because
On that
Well-
because they have their actuator right here. You
Okay.
can see that they obviously are controlling it somewhere.
Yeah.
And if I'm not mistaken, I believe it had something to do with their, they have a sensor out there.
Well, yeah.
Is
I was
there a
wondering if
valve
I asked
that
if
opens
there's,
Well, there's a
particular
sensor for the
circuit?
Snowmelt system.
Yeah.
but is there a
the-
floor sensor?
Yeah,
into
there's,
your
no, not for the
Not-
radiant
not
system.
for
That's just gonna
radiant.
work off the thermostat
So
or
it's-
wall-mounted sensor.
air? Okay, good.
Right.
That was really what I was getting at. Is
Yeah.
if it was a
Okay.
slab sensor that it ran on,
Right.
or if it was a.
Now, there is a checkmark controller for the Snowmelt system, isn't there?
Yeah.
There is.
Okay.
Yeah, and we've kind of gone over that yesterday.
Okay,
Yeah.
and those things are infinitely adjustable too. You can do all kinds of cool things with those as far as overrides. You can set it up to where, you know, after you have a couple of snowfalls and you see where the little quirks are in the system, you could set it up to run a little bit longer by 15 minutes or so if you need to, if you have a particular area on the north side. We try to locate the sensors on the north side of the building in the most susceptible places to collect snow. But then, because it's kind of a rudimentary kind of thing, we try to, there's like a redundancy in the system itself with the controller so that, you know, you can also play with the controller to get it to.
Good. Good. Okay.
Jose, you want to go around and talk to Rand? He sounds like he's all right, though. He wants to
Okay,
talk to them.
no problem.